Hello, welcome to Spy Money. Tonight, I shut off one bot, already made quite a bit, and I was going to go take a shower, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to set my P&L settings for $2,100 or a $2,000 loss. So I was going to take a $2,000 loss or a $2,100 win. And the bot is now shut off on its own. Close max gain per session. That means the profit target was higher, but it shut itself off because it was the 2100. Now it's not going to be exact. So 2055, by the time it closes everything out, your 4 contracts, it's not going to be exactly 2100, but I put 2100 just so I could cover my commissions and so forth during the trade. So this one is done, 50%. It took the first trade at 843 and it closed at 858. So that is 15 minutes of trading, $2,000 on 4 contracts, and it's done. So I love it. This is by far the best bot I've ever built, and it's one I want to try to keep improving on. We have live training on it, discussing how to use it and so forth, when to turn on. We also talk about it in the Discord. So in the Discord, we talk about different things. We've been chatting all evening and talking about why we should be trading, when you should turn it on. So I was telling everyone what we're doing and what we're looking for and when to get in and so forth. So a lot of people making money. And there's some still not making money. It's not everybody. You follow the rules and you should be fine. And I had some people that come in this week and already posting profits and talking about it. So the bot's not really that hard to use. It's very simple to follow along. So if you're interested, how do you get signed up? I'm glad you asked. Go to spymoneyllc.com. Go to the Ninja Suite right here, this tab. There's going to be a little video playing that's going to talk about what we do. And if you come down here, this is the biggest thing. Bots are not set it and leave it. Even though I did tonight, I had P&L settings to protect me with risk management. And I'd already made quite a bit, so I wasn't too concerned about it walking away because I knew I could come back and be okay on it. So one thing is not set it and leave it. Even though I did tonight. Don't follow me, follow the rules. The rules number 10 is don't do that. So if you want to do this, this is a binding contract between us. Now the reason I do this is so that you can't say I didn't tell you any of this. So what you have to do is highlight this. You right click, copy. You come up here to the top, click contact us. When you click contact us, put your first name, last name, email, phone number, and paste this in, send it to me, and then once you send it to me, I will send you a link to get signed up so that you can use the Ninja Suite. How long does it take to get set up? A lot of people ask me. If you know how to use NinjaTrader, you can be up and running in about an hour, be trading. It's not real hard. There's some videos on the website you can watch on how to use Coaster. And I'm going to reorganize that a little bit to make it easier to find. But if you just look into the Coaster bot strategy, so if you go to my account up here, once you get signed in, come down here to tutorials for bots. You click on that and it will take you to look for Coaster bot, and there's a couple tutorials there to go through. They're not very long, maybe an hour long, and but they're pretty easy. And once you get the bot loaded, if you're familiar with NinjaTrader, once you get the bot loaded, then there is I think 4 templates in there, and there's one that's 7/21. The July 21st is real good. That's the link that I'm going to tell you to watch and use. And as long as you follow the rules, that's the one you want. We do offer funded accounts, so if you don't have the extra capital to do it, you can pick one of these right here. There's some coupons down here. If you click these right here, that will take you to those sites, and then you can sign up for the one you want. BluSky has a 200,000 static drawdown of 2,000. You reach $4,000 total. You have to do it over 3 days, so you can't make more than about $1,600 a day. Once you do that, then you can get this passed and go straight to a live account. So on the 4th day, roughly, you would have a live account, maybe the 5th. Or you can do one of the others for 8 days. Apex, they have same day. So if you go in there, you pass one of theirs, you get a PA that night, and you start trading live the next day. One thing about Apex, they hold your money a little bit. It takes a little while to get all your money, where BluSky will, as soon as you make the money, you can pull it out that day. That's one good part about it. Take Profit, a lot of people use it. Not too many people use UProfit. I'd say these two right here are the number ones. But all three of these right here are good. UProfit, I just don't like their scaling that they have once you get a live account. But check those out. Get signed up. Again, the Ninja Suite, you click on this. Down here at the bottom, there is some frequently asked questions I get all the way down at the bottom. And read through these. If you don't get your answer that you're looking for, send me an email and I'll do my best to answer for you. You get a lot of different indicators, drawing tools. We no longer do the copier. I need to take that off. And but anyway, just see what you think. We haven't had any more trades after this one right here, but look at that right there. You could have, if you knew that it was going up and moved or take profit up there, that's a lot of money right there. But anyway, we're happy with our 50%. So a 50% goal is, if you're $1,000 margin, we want to try to make $500. So 50% of whatever your trade is, that's our goal. And if you can make 50% of your trade every day, you won't go broke. So that's the whole thing. You just need to try to get there. Don't worry about the rest of the time. Just go ahead and get in here. Like this one here is about 15 minutes or so that are traded, and we're done. You don't need to trade anymore. The reason you're trading is so that you can do other things, live life as we call it. So get your trades done real quick, go live life. You can do this in the evening, you can do this early in the morning, you can do this late in the afternoon. In my opinion, here lately, the evening and early morning has been working best. U.S. market's a little bit harder because it moves so much more, a lot more volatility, but I really like the evening hours. I usually make all my money in the evening, and I don't even have to trade anymore, although I do trade during the mornings as well. So if you need anything, let me know. Be happy to help you. I'd love to get you started, and we can get you started on the Coaster Bot. Have a great night.